Can't connect to your Wi-Fi because of your Mac Mini M4, M3, M2, or M1? Don't worry, after watching this video, you can add a wireless profile manually, and it only takes a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up. So let's get started. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar at the top. Then click on Other Networks. After that, click on Other at the bottom of the list. Now here, enter the exact name of the network you want to add. Then select the security type. For example, WPA2/WPA3 Personal. And then enter the password. After that, click Join. Your Mac Mini will save this network profile, so you won't need to manually enter the details again. And that's it. This is how you can add a wireless profile manually on your Mac Mini, M4, M3, M2, or M1. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.